In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Firebase. So now this is very simple. And the first step is to open your project in Firebase to which you want to connect your domain. So I have this Coffee Spark AI Barista, so I'm going to open it. And now on the left side, you have a couple of options and you need to choose build. And from the drop down, you want to choose hosting. And in this hosting section, you can add your GoDaddy domain. So those are your Firebase default domains, and to add GoDaddy domain, you want to click on Add Custom Domain. So click on it, and from here you want to paste your GoDaddy domain. So I'm gonna open GoDaddy, and I will open my domain. And now from your dashboard, you want to copy your domain, paste it here. And you can also redirect this domain to an existing website. So if you check this, you want to add a redirected domain name. So let's say you can type www and then your domain where you want to redirect it. But you can also disable it and then click on continue. And now this is the most important. You want to add those two DNS records to your GoDaddy. So the first one is a record. This is domain name and this is the value. The second one is TXT record. This is name and this is the value. So I'm going to add the first a record and I'm going to copy this value and go to GoDaddy, and on the left side you want to choose domain, and from here you want to choose DNS next to overview, and you want to make sure to remove an existing a or TXT record to not mess your DNS. So I'm going to choose my old a record, and also I'm going to delete this cname record, and then we can add those two records. So you just need to click on add a new record. The first one was a. This is the value and the domain was this. So this is name. Then click on save. So record data is invalid. So I think name is just this symbol. So I'm going to click on save. And updating DNS record. So the first one has been added. And the second one is TXT record. And this is the value. So I'm going to click on add new record. Choose TXT. You can type this symbol and the value is this, then click save. Updating DNS record. So now once we have those two records, you want to click on verify. And as you can see, the first record has been successfully verified and we just need to wait for this TXT record. This might take longer to verify than this A record. So now I clicked verified after 5 minutes. And the TXT record has been also successfully connected. So as you can see, custom domain set up successfully. So now if you click on finish, so this is how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Firebase. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this.